everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So today we will be trimming a little bit of my hair. I've been doing it for months and it has helped me to keep my hair healthy while I grow it. And also I would like to ask you guys to do the same. If you feel like the ends of your hair are feeling like dry, damaged and wispy, because not only hair growth is important, the health of your hair is also important. So as you are trying to grow your hair, you also need to get rid of those dry and damaged ends. Now you can do that by getting rid of all of that at once. You can chop them off, or you can cut them a little bit by little every month or every 2 months, which will not affect the length of your hair, but also you will get rid of the damaged parts eventually, and you can focus on the growth and the health of your hair. So for that we will need some water in a spray bottle. We will need a good pair of hair cutting scissors. Use a good pair of hair cutting scissors. Don't use your regular scissors to cut your hair. Also we will need some combs and some hair ties to measure our hair. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
So first make a middle parting and take it all the way back to your neck and split your hair into 2 equal sections. Next, grab your comb and quickly run it through your hair. There shouldn't be any knots or tangles in your hair while you cut them. Then grab the ends of one section and spray it with some water. First determine how much you want to cut and get rid of, and spray some water on that portion using your spray bottle. Next, take your comb again and run it through that section again. Here I am using a rat tail comb. Next, I'm gonna tie 2 hair ties on both the sections and I'm gonna glide them till the ends of my hair. I have another video explaining why this is necessary. I'll leave the link at the top of this video. Then I'm gonna grab the ends of one section between 2 of my fingers and I'm gonna start trimming the ends. So the portion that you want to cut, the whole portion, don't cut it all at once. Start trimming it by a little bit by little. So even if you do some mistakes, you have some hair left to rectify it. So next I'm gonna take the second section and I'm gonna spray some water at the ends of the second section as well, and taking the first section as the guide, I'm gonna trim the second one. So this is how they look after trimming the ends of both the sections, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out. So there are a few smaller sections as well in my hair which are shorter than the actual length of my hair, which don't really get a cut because I stick to the ends whenever I trim my hair. So this time I decided to grab those smaller sections and give them a trim as well. So for that I have again split my hair into 2 equal sections and I have sprayed some water and combed it. So here are the smaller sections, and again I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spray some water at the ends of those smaller sections and quickly run the comb through them, and I'll hold the sections in between 2 of my fingers and I'll glide the fingers till the ends of those smaller sections, just like so. And then I'm gonna grab my scissors and I'm gonna cut them. Again I'm gonna cut a little bit by little, not all at once. So these sections are most prone to like breakage and split ends and damage because of all the combing and hairstyles that we do. So I have done this on the other side as well, and I am quite happy with how this turned out. The smaller sections and the ends of my hair look pretty good and healthy. So if you are someone who is growing out your hair, I would definitely recommend you to do this as well. If not on your own, go to your salon and get this done at least once in every 2 months so your hair can grow healthy. And that is it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.